Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Shehzad Tech. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Safari cannot open the page because the address is invalid on iPhone, iPad or MacBook. So guys, without wasting any time, let's start the video. Guys, there is many method to solve this issue. First is to check your internet connection. So just go to settings here. Here you can see Wi-Fi, tap on it. Here you can see Wi-Fi. Turn it off and after 10 to 15 seconds turn it on back to fix your problem. So go back. Here you can go to the Safari. Search here Safari. Now you can see tap on it. Now you can see many options. So scroll to the below and here you can see clear history and website data. So just tap on it and here you can clear the lost or history. So just tap on clear and go back. If the solution is not working, then we move to another solution. Another is go to the settings here. Here you can see general, tap on it. Here you can see iPhone storage, tap on it. Here you can see many options. So just open the Safari. Here you can see website data, tap on it. Here you can see edit, tap on edit, and if you have any website from here, remove it to fix your problem. So if the solution is not working, then we move to another is go to the settings, general, scroll to the below and you can see VPN and device management, tap on it. Here you can see VPN. If you have connected with VPN, just disconnect it to fix your address. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, then you subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more latest tech videos. Thanks for watching.